Welcome back. Dev Tumche Bare Karu. This blessing comes straight from the heart of 60-year-old Tulshi Gawde. Goenkaar has been supporting this old lady for the last 1 year to treat her mentally ill sons. And yes, both her sons have shown tremendous improvement. One of the sons has got married too, whereas second one is undergoing treatment. Prudent had highlighted Tulsi's sad story almost a year back. It's a prudent impact, Vivek Prabhu reports.
The assistance started pouring from various corners of society a year back following Prudent's report on said story of Tulsi and her two mentally ill grown-up sons. There was a public appeal for assistance. The picture at Tulsi's home was changed. He is Goenkaar Gawde, one of the mentally ill son of Tulshi Gawde. Nice to see Goenkaar trying to live his routine with joy and hard work. Have a look, he is no more a dependent today. But the picture wasn't same last year. Goenkaar and his brother Anil were in bad physical and mental state. They were kept tied and were being locked in a dark room. But now, he is a free bird. He got married. Here, she is Goenkaar's wife. Tears of Tulshi Gawde have changed into smiles. She has nothing to say but a big thank you to the Goenkaars.
सगळ्यान बाबा गोंयकारान सगळ्यान केलें हाडून दिलें केलें सगळें म्हाका बरें केलें सगळ्यान बरें तुमचे तेणी आतां तोय चड बरो जालो होय बरो जालो आनी तोय बरो जालो सगळ्यान तुमचे हेणी
Tulshi Gawde has received an assistance of almost 2.5 lakhs following media appeals. Her second son Anil is under treatment at Mapsa Charity Mental Health Care. Both sons are receiving government's pension of 1,000 bucks a month. Similarly, trusts like CRF Margao has also been supporting Tulsi's family. It was our pleasure to see Gawde family posing cheerfully for a picture.
आमी प्रुडंट हांगा पावले जायते पेपर हांगा पावले आनी उजवाड घालून तांकां आमी पयली तेंची कशी कितें मोतीबंद कशें जालें तें आनी ते हें केलें तेन्ना आयजच्या तारखे आयज जवळ जवळ 1 वर्स कंप्लीट जालें तांकां आयज गोंयभरच्यान जवळ जवळ 2,23,000 रुपया लोकांनी निधी उपलब्ध करून दिला बँकेन त्या लागून एका भुरग्याचें सद्या ट्रिटमेंट म्हापसा हांगा हॉस्पिटलान जाता तर दुसरो जवळ जवळ बरो जावपाक येयला आनी तिजे तुलसी गावडेन सांगलें की आतां दोगूय जाण सामके बरे जावपाचे हेजेर आसा आनी रोखडेंच तेंचें लग्न जावनी आनी खंय तरी कामां लागनी अशी तिजी अपेक्षा आसा हांव करमळीच्यान विवेक प्रभू प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is not certain about when mining will resume in the state, but he says that mining-dependent people need not worry. Compilation of data is on. Meanwhile, reacting to Congress allegations, Parrikar said that Congress is scared over mining issues.
आणि सरकार ट्रकवाले जे आसा किंवा ह्या व्यवसायांच्यान जो सर्वसामान्य मनीस अडचणीन आयला ताका मदत करपाची सगळी हे आस्पेक्ट आमी वर्कआउट केले फक्त आमचो एकूच अडचण आहा जेन्ना आमी हो प्रश्न विचारता ट्रक ओनर एसोसिएशनान कितले आसात कोण 10,000 सांगता कोण 20,000 सांगता कोण 30,000 सुद्दां सांगता त्यामुळे आमी फॉर्म दिल्ले आसा ते फुकट आसत आतां पयशे बी कांय ना आनी गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेडाक एजन्सी म्हणून नॉमिनेट केल्या दे आर रजिस्टरिंग द ट्रक्स रजिस्ट्रेशन फक्त इतल्या बँकांकूय आमी सांगला की आमकां सगळो डेटा सारको कंपायल करान दिया म्हणून कोणें अजून पर्यंत कंपायलेशनूच करूंक ना त्यामुळे जो पर्यंत तो डेटा कंपायल जायना तो कितें एक्झॅक्टली हांव करतलो हें हांव सांगपाक शकना पण हांव एक गजाल सांगता की गव्हर्मेंट इज सीज्ड ऑफ द मॅटर कोणें चिंता तशी करपाची गरज ना.
Replying to Congress MLA Alex Reginald's allegations, this is what he had to say.
ज्या लोकांनी चोरयो केल्या पळय ज्या लोकांनी भानगडी केल्या पळय हे लोक उलयतात मायनीच्या संदर्भात तांची तोंड ते गेल्या वर्सा गीड भरलेलो काय कितें एनजीपीडीएन बिजी आशिल्लो तूं हाजें उत्तर त्या पयली स्पोक्स पर्सनाक दिता You want me to also investigate all permissions given during that period? that I don't intend to do. पण तो बोवाळ चल्ला पळय तो बोवाळ चल्ला हाजे कारण they are scared. आणि त्यांनी सगळ्यो भानगडी केल्या ज्यो मायनी शाह कमिशनान मेन्शन केल्या पळय त्यो जवळ जवळ प्रत्येक मायन ही काँग्रेसच्या खंयच्या ना खंयच्या बड्या नेत्यान ऑपरेट केल्ली आहा.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Goenkaar.
Youth completing 18 years of age on 1st January 2013 can get themselves enrolled as voters. South Goa Collectorate has initiated special summary revision of the electoral rolls. Political parties were provided draft electoral roll on Monday.
South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal held a meeting with political parties on Monday at Margao. He handed over a copy of draft to the political party leaders.
We have provided copy of the draft roll to all political party. We have requested the Panchayat Director and Municipality to issue the instructions to have the special Gram Sabhas on 6th of this month. We have appointed each polling booth one designated officer. Whatever the claim and objections will receive, it will be daily basis updating of the ECI site. Youth who is completing the age on 1st January 2013, 18 years, they should include their name. Final publication of the roll will be 5th January 2013, and we are going to distribute the epic card by 10th of January.
Agarwal also informed that corrections and deletions in the roll are scheduled on 7th, 14th and 21st of this month.
There is a possibility of the deletions. To check the deletions, we have appointed both the additional collectors. Additional collector 1 taking the care of 8 constituency of the Salsett Taluka. Additional collector 2 going to check the remaining 9 constituency of remaining 5 talukas.
Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.